So length is 3 inches. You create a box.
Right.
Let's start. Create a box. Square, rectangular. Length 3 inches. Height 313. Done. And you just plug it somewhere, it doesn't matter.
Right.
Then you go create solids, extrude, chain. Done. You rotate, you see, you want to go other way. And then you go create body. And what's the...
That's 1/250.
1 inch 250.
Yeah.
The thickness.
The thickness, right.
And done. Boom. Ready. Now I'm going to switch to number 2 level. So now everything I'm going to draw, everything, all those lines is going to be everything is going to be on a different level so I can work with it.
That's what I was trying to, that was one of my main things I got on there, see, making levels.
Alright, so we got the square. Now I can go and start offsetting. Copy 750 from here to here. That's one. Then I do copy again. I don't need to do copy. I can go right now and I go create chamfer, and because it's not a 45 degrees, you switch it to
60.
You switch this to distance and angle. You see this? You switch either, if you have 2 distances, it's fine. If not, you have the angle in 1 dimension. So you go, what's the length of it? So it's 2 inch 531, right? And then from here to here is how much? So from here to here is 750.
Right, and from there to the middle isn't it 375 or 335?
So from here to here, no. From here to the edge is 2 inch 531. You know, from here to here is how much? 2 inch 250, right?
Right, 2 inch 250.
So
yep.
2 inch 531 minus 2.250. So it's 281 distance, and you want to put 60 degrees. And then you trim 1, 2.
Wow.
Same thing here. 1, 2. It looks about right or not really?
No, that looks just how it's supposed to be, yep.
I get rid of this because it's the same color. It's kind of hard to see it. It's about right?
Yep.
Okay, so now I'm going to continue drawing because I need to drop everything from here. From here, I do like a box. So now I got all this and that in one box. And now watch what's gonna happen. It's gonna have to see it. So I'm going to change the color to dark blue so you can actually see the lines. So you go create, I take all wireframe, done, right click, blue, and now you got all the blue lines, clear colors. Now you're gonna do extrude, chain. Now you're gonna pick this chain so it's gonna close all that.
Right, it wasn't chaining for me because I had that one straight line still, and it wouldn't grab that whole angle chain.
I'm gonna get rid of the solid. You see how we did that? Done. But now it's reversing.
You want to go down.
And I'm gonna activate the level. So you see what I did. And then you said it was 313?
This side is 415.
Sure. 335.
No, no. 335 is on the other side. It's the first side without the angle.
Okay, I don't remember the sizes, but let's say.
Oh, I know this part good. I've been working on this shit.
So 415.
Yeah.
Extend. Boom. No, you don't want to create. You want to trim. Undo. Again. X form, extrude, chain. You gotta get rid of it because it's kind of hard to see it. See what you're doing. X form, extrude. And then you choose from here. 1, 2, 3 is done. Reverse it.
Right.
Now, you don't want to create body, you want to cut body. But since it's on, the level is unchecked, so you cannot recognize it. Extend. It's not letting me. I have to do it while it's on, I guess. X form, no. Solid extrude, chain, done. Now you see, because it was unhighlighted,
right,
you won't be able to get the cut body because it doesn't recognize it. But since I got this, I switched the direction and watch this.
Boom. Man, that's sweet. I would have never figured this out. I was trying on YouTube the other day to do it, and I was able to get the holes. That was enough.
So one is done. So I go up, I switch to the right, because once you choose, let's say if you want to rotate about this axis, so you want to rotate it, let's say this way.
Right.
So you want to choose the work coordinate on the right. See how it shows you the face?
Mm-hmm.
Or if you want to rotate it this way, you choose the front. So you rotate everything this way. If you switch this to the top, it rotates it like this.
Right, okay, I see.
So if you want to rotate it like this, you
right,
gotta choose the axis, the face. So which face you want to move, rotate about? The right. So you highlight everything, rotate, move 180. You see?
Yeah.
So now you switch back to top, and then now you do the same thing. You want to create curve, one edge, choose that curve, done. Then you're gonna do offset, copy 750 to the right. Now you gotta create that box over here, right? Line, start, end, start, end, start, end.
Yeah.
Done. Then you go solids, extrude, chain, it's closed, done, reverse, and you go switch to 0.335. Done. Easy?
Yeah. Now we gotta put the holes in there.
Now you're gonna, right now, because you don't know where you have the zero for the part, where you usually have the zero, somewhere in the
on
center.
both sides is different. On the
It doesn't matter. For this one, we just need to put the hole. So let's say we choose this as your F9. Where is the F9 here?
F9 doesn't work. It works as my volume.
Okay.
On this computer. I tried that so many times. So all I have to do is I have to do it on under the grid.
Okay, don't worry about the grid. It should. Alright. So now the 0 is over here. And what you do is you go top view, fit, clear colors, arc, diameter 502, X 525, comma 0. Enter. You say it was 525? No. Oops, I had it wrong. Undo.
That one is a 375.
Yeah, but
yeah, I see how you got it in there. Because you hit this at 0.
Yep.
And
so
then
now,
you just moved it over.
I want to do this. I can do analyze this hole. You see? It shows me 525, but I can change it to 375 and it's going to move it. You can fix it. If you did it the wrong way, you can fix either the diameter, the location, whatever you want. If you do analyze, and if you cannot pick the arc, you go to only arcs. Okay, now you can only pick arcs. So you don't pick anything else because it's going to be hard. You see? And then I can change this diameter. Let's say it was 750, you made a mistake. You see?
Well, that whole size is
502. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you. 502. Back to same.
Okay, cool.
Okay, now I want to do the 750, right?
Right.
750. I don't know where it's supposed to be, right?
Right.
But I have my 0. I don't feel like recalculating it, right?
Right.
Okay. I put it right in the center. Done. Now I do analyze. And I go, I know it's 3 inches from the 0. But I need to be, where is it? 525 from the edge, right? So either I can do this, or I can just highlight this one and I translate move left.
Oh, you didn't hit the move.
Minus.
The move didn't hit.
Oh,
there you go. Yeah.
I did, but it didn't.
Yeah, it didn't grab it.
Minus 525 from that. So that way you don't have to recalculate anything.
Awesome.
Right? Done. Now you got the right holes and the right places. Now you're gonna do solids, extrude, 1 hole. No, I didn't do it the right way. Solids, extrude. Done. And cut body through all. Again, extrude. Why is it doing all that?
This is what was happening to me the other day, where I couldn't get the hole to go through, and it took me a while to figure it out, but I eventually got it.
Yeah, you just need to do it the right way. Why is it like that? It's not supposed to be this one. I delete. Tab. Okay. So now let's do this again. The hole supposed to be 502 and X supposed to be 375, comma 0, enter. Done. Then solids, extrude. Now it's picking the right hole because it was somehow something goofy. And now you see
it might be my computer. I don't know.
No, it's okay. You see this? Click, it goes down. And through all. Cut body through all. Boom. Done.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be on top of the face to do it. It'll just extrude it through. It'll just cut through. Same thing. Solid, extrude, chain, done, it's showing up, you want to go the other way. Cut body, extend through all, bam, done.
Nice.
Now you get rid of, not get rid of, just uncheck the
other level.
wires.
Right.
And now you got everything here. And then you can get rid of all wireframe. And then you right click on a level, move, what was it, 2? Move. And now it's gone. Because right now if you highlight 2, you got everything else. And 3 is the extra.